can I plead with you not to do it? Because you're either going to be a victim in this moment, or you're going to come out a victor. And that is your choice. You're either going to be a victim of this pain and the suffering that you're in, or you're going to say, Lord, would you come and use this, as Scripture says, for something else? And there's literally a chain reaction, 'n kettingreaksie wat in jou lewe gebeur. Kyk wat sê hy. Hy sê swaar kry bring wat? Volharding, endurance. Pain brings endurance. And Scripture says that we need endurance. To do what? To do the will of God, what we just read now, and to receive the promise. You need endurance. And it only comes when there's pain. When there's pain, there's endurance. If there's endurance, there's what? Egtheid van geloof, purity of our faith. And then after we have purity of our faith, the last thing is hope. Daar is hoop in ons harte. En nou verstaan ek hoekom ek myself kan verheug in my swaar kry. Because swaar kry, volharding, egtheid van geloof, hoop. En daardie hoop wat nie beskaam nie, omdat hy in ons harte die Heilige Gees uitgestort het.